Monday, the 21st, during March coronavirus time. New house that I'm shooting, and it's I've come in and it's perfect. The owners I've just met outside. They left the property unlocked. They had the entrance door open for me. They organised a parking space for me when I got to the property as well. They've been in tidying the place. They turned on all the lights for me. I haven't even had to touch the light switch. They've got the doors open. I haven't needed to even touch the door or anything. These people have done it absolutely perfectly. When I spoke to them last week, it was a simple case of we had no idea about coronavirus going on, and we were saying, oh yeah, we'll come in, we'll move things around. When you're there, you can tell us what to do, not a problem. Now it's like, nope, can't even pick up keys from you. So they've done a fantastic job. Lights on, flowers out, place looking clean and tidy. They've even got like their food recipe books out. I don't need to do anything. Place is absolutely perfect. What a superb job. This is something I need to be showing to all other owners, how to set up the property beforehand. Don't even need to touch the bedding. Fantastic. So yeah, some owners are doing a fantastic job and know what they're doing. Unfortunately, getting the photos just now, floor plan just now, maybe a walkthrough video as well. It may be a while until it actually goes on the market. But I've got a sunny day, we've got blue sky, we can get the shots just now, and we can start marketing the property now if we wanted to. But yeah, great example of how it can be done right.